How to download and install Twitch application on your Windows 11 device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to any one of the web browser and make sure you go to the official website of Twitch Studio. On your left hand side, you will see the option of download now. Click on it and make sure you choose the application according to your device specification. Here I chose Windows. Then again click on download Twitch Studio. Shortly the .exe file will be downloaded on your device. Double click on it, follow these steps. After that you will be able to download it. So that's it. That is how easily you can download and install Twitch in Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.